Hello, welcome internet. I am Inknight, and today I want to speak about overtime improvement and just staying true and keep on drawing and practicing with artwork. The reason why I want to say this because I am drawing Natsu one more time. It's not traditional this time; it is digital. But regardless, if it is traditional or digital, you get to see progression on how your artwork is and how your anatomy works and how your progression moves from point A to point B. Now granted, it's only been a few years, back in 2015, since I ever done my first drawing ever on YouTube. And that was actually another Natsu drawing. And I done another one again. I forget the date for that one because I'm not seeing it. I didn't, or did I ever write it on this paper? No, I did not write it on this paper, but I probably put up a date and when I put up my other Natsu drawing, which is in color. And now, in my opinion, a lot of them are, the drawings are good, better, and best thus far. Granted, yes, digital does have a few more extra tricks that you can maneuver and place in. Like a great example is bodies. You can in digital you can crop and move, unlike in digital or unlike in traditional where you have to erase and redraw, which is a lot more work, depending on what you're used to. Granted, I've done both of them, and I know which one I'm more strong with. I say I'm slightly more strong with traditional, since I've done it for such a more longer period of time. But with a drawing tablet, with a drawing stylus, it's a lot more easier to jump into for digital artwork. But anyways, that's not really the main purpose of this video, to compare traditional and digital. I might have to do that for another video if y'all are interested. Let me know, by the way. But yeah, when I'm comparing my older drawings, like I said, back from 2015 to whenever I did the other Natsu drawing, and now, of course, yes, the biggest thing is color. I did not have as many colors when I did my color drawing, and I did not have any markers period when I did my first Natsu drawing. That's in black and white, just regular pencil, no ink, no nothing. And that's something else about artwork. You don't need expensive things to create awesome artwork. Heck, I made my alien drawing, which in my opinion is one of my more strongest drawings. It took me forever to draw. Maybe not the longest drawing. That probably goes to my Diablo or Harley Quinn. But regardless, you can make artwork with anything, and if you stay to it, keep on practicing, you will see improvement. Because when I'm looking at my newest drawing compared to my oldest drawing, yes, I still like how I did the older drawing, but I still see improvement, sharper lines. Yeah, like I know it's digital, but you can still see on how the line movement is if you look close enough. Yes, there's still a little bit of wiggling here and there, but that improves over time. Of course, I did more cell shading involving with my current Natsu drawing that's in 2019. But I did do a cell shading style when I did the color version with Prismacolors and maybe Copic. I don't remember if I did Copic with that or not. But overall, I do believe that I am improving as an artist thus far. And if I can do it, anyone else can do it. We're all people. We all learn. There's all sorts of different research that you can look through, both books, online, tutorials. Heck, I think even Skillshare, you can look through that kind of stuff. Wish I was sponsored by them, but I'm not. But regardless, just keep at it. You will see improvement over time. If you do not right now, just stick to it, and you will. I promise you, you will. Might not see it right now. Might not see it in the next 2 years. Heck, I'm looking at it right now, and I think my first Natsu drawing is kind of better than my second one. Granted, yes, I did go a little bit quicker with my second one. Well, I mean, they're both about near tip for tap, but the second one is original compared to the first one, which is kind of like a copy. A lot of my more first drawings, I didn't really make original stuff, but I started making more original stuff as I go. I'll learn how to do anatomy, or start how to do anatomy. I mean, I'm still learning. I am still learning. At anatomy, you can always learn different new tricks here and there to get better. course, there's perspective, there's foreshortening, and there's all sorts of different things that can show you that, oh yeah, this is supposed to like what it's supposed to be as if it was human. I mean, granted, a great example between my first two drawings to my current drawing is that I did draw it in full body, unlike my other two where it's just like the head and torso, and maybe the arms. Heck, one of my I had the flames, and the other one I didn't, and now my current one I do. Granted, I can still say I will always need improvement, because I will. It's obvious that I need improvement. That's with any artist. Even the best artists known in the world will always try to improve their stuff and how they work and how they do their artwork. It's just part of progression. And that's my main point. Keep on working, keep on practicing, keep on doing artwork. That's the main purpose of this video, so I can compare myself to previous me. No, I do, and I mean looking at my current drawing, of course I will see differences that I need to change. Of course you'll probably see differences I need to change that you think. There's all sorts of different things that you can do to improve your artwork. And of course, I could have done a lot better shading. I could have done more, I guess, better flames. That's something I will say. I could do way better flames, but I just didn't. But I really wanted to see how my anatomy was compared to my old self. And a great example is, of course, Natsu. I can still say that my style, if you want to really call it a style, yes, I did mimic Natsu on how he is in the anime. I mean, with my drawing currently that's on the screen, I do use Natsu references from the show or from a drawing, and I do use similar colors. Well, heck, I directly get the colors straight from Natsu, but mine is an original pose that I made up. I mean, you see me draw it out at the beginning. I didn't copy anything, and that's something else you will have to learn over time, is to try not to copy. Yes, for a learning tool, it is, in my opinion, it is necessary, because that's what I did when I first started drawing. I made bases off of something else so I could learn how they did. I did not ever trace. I don't think tracing really does anything for you, because you're just tracing the lines. Yes, if you're tracing, the only thing I can really see out of tracing is the line weight, or trace your own artwork for animation. That's the only other thing I can really see tracing comes into play to learn. Well, granted, tracing would be required for animation, but you don't truly fully trace your own stuff. You move stuff around for animation. But anyways, that's enough of me rambling on. I rambled on for about now 8 minutes or so. So anyways, hopefully this video inspires you to keep on going at drawing, if I can correct myself. Keep on just staying true to yourself. Just keep on drawing. Just keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on practicing. And just, you'll eventually get better, get way more thrilled and excited at how you do your artwork and everything else. But thanks a lot for watching. Take it easy, and we shall see all of you in the next drawing video.